And they're open. All in front is taken by Sexy Eyes. From the outside, perhaps Love. Then followed now by entry number 7, Loretta. Around the outside is Slim Princess. And out straight they travel. Sexy Eyes leads the pack to about 3 lengths, followed by Perhaps Love. Loretta is from the outside, third down in fourth now, Maali Wallace, then followed by Slim Princess. Here comes Admiral Contender, Gifted Champ, while Sharp Eye is running in a tail of the field. Down the half mile they travel. Sexy Eyes still in front by Alain Kanihapa. Followed by Perhaps Love in second. 2 lengths back Maali Wallace now from the outside. And inside the last 600 it is still Sexy Eyes leads by some 3 lengths. Followed by Perhaps Love. Here comes Maali Wallace, Admiral Contender, Loretta, Slim Princess, Gifted Champ, and Sharp Eye. Towards the final turn, it's Sexy Eyes leads by some 4 lengths now, followed by Maali Wallace. Here comes Admiral Contender. And finally, it's all Sexy Eyes, followed by Maali Wallace, Admiral Contender, Slim Princess, Sharp Eye.
61584. Ano
Sure.